Okay, so we're coming into Franktown and the lights are out, as you can see. We've got a snapped tree just coming up here. Watch us, we'll take a pass here. Hanging off the hydro lines here. Look at that. Whoa, not good. Not good. Okay, so trees down everywhere. As you can see, look at this tree that we're coming up to here. It's not good. Not good. Hanging on the power lines here. So we make it. Goodness, we made it. Trees are everywhere now. Okay, so something's going on up here. We might not be able to get across. We'll have to see. It looks like there's more power lines down up here. We'll have to see. We'll have to see if we can get across. But it's not looking good, guys. This is not looking good. Look at these. Look at these snapped ones. Here we go. Okay, so we're driving through here. There might be another, oh, there's more detours ahead. We can see more detours on the hill up there. So I think we have to take a side road.
What is a side road?
Oh.
Easy, half the tree fell off there.
Where? Oh yeah, see, half the tree fell off here. It looked like it was starting to rot. But I think up, see over the hill there, Andrew? I don't know if you can see that.
I saw flashing lights up there.
There's lights everywhere. Okay.
Alright, now we're getting through.
Oh my goodness, look at it. It's like a war zone here. All these poles are down. Look at this. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Look at these guys. Look at that. It's just hanging there. Uh-oh. Look at this one on, look at that. Snap right off. Look at this one. It's hanging right there. I can tell you power is not going to be restored for a while here. This is just wild. Oh, I see the police cars up here. This is our alternate route to the cottage because we already had power lines down on another road. Look at this one, right in the field there. Look at these guys. This is crazy. Look at this one just hanging there. Hanging there. All these poles.